Work with your magnets, honey. You don't have to do that. Here. Here, come here. Come here. Come on, look over here. Come on. There's so many more. There's even numbers in here. Here, look. What's that?
V.
V. Good girl, what's this?
Wow.
Good girl, what's this?
8.
8. Good, what's this?
D.
D. Good girl, what's this?
D.
What is that? What's this one?
U.
U. Good.
U.
What's that?
O.
R.
O.
What's that?
9.
5.
9.
5. What's this? X.
4.
4.
Yeah.
S. Good.
O.
Oh, good, Penny.
T.
T. Good, Penny.
K.
6. Good.
Me.
E.
D.
C.
2.
2.
M.
M.
M. M. D.
G.
I don't know. Green.
3. You want to do it by yourself now? Where is... Find me the letter H. Can you find the letter H? Find it. There's so many letters up there. Where is that letter H? Can you find the letter G? Where is the letter G? Find that letter G. Yeah. Find the letter D, Penelope. D. Where's the D? Yay. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Find the number 2. Find the number 2. Can you show me where it is? You're so silly. Good job, Penelope. Can you find the number 4? Where's the number 4? Not right now. Mom's going to have her breakfast. Do you want to play with your magnets some more? Come play with your magnets. W, I see it. Keep going. You found the number 1. Keep going. What more can you find? Does it look like the letter I? That's the letter Z. Good, Pen. Good job. Show me where the letter W is. Wow. Arr, good. Gotta turn it around. Whoops. You gotta turn it around. There you go. Do you like your magnets? Are they fun?
Will it work?
Can you find the letter Y for me? Where's the letter Y? Yeah, yo-yo. Yeah, yarn. Yeah, yak. Good job. You're so good at your alphabets. That's okay. Remember, you have to turn it so that the black is facing the refrigerator.
Diamond wood. Will it work? Will it work?
Do you want Mommy to spell some words for you?
Will it work? W.
Where is the letter W? Find it. Do you want Mommy to spell some words for you?
W.
Okay, let's see. S. There's an H. H. O. R. T. What does that spell?
No.
What does that say?
No. No.
Short. All right, short. You are so silly. How about this? How about this? How about D, I, I'll use the H as an I, R, T, Y. Whoops, I got it. How about D, I, R, T, Y? Dirty. Good. Here, you do some more alphabets now. Go ahead, do some more alphabets. This is for Mommy. You've had your breakfast. Mommy's having a banana. That's for Mommy. Here. Go play with your magnets. Go ahead. Turn it around. Almost. You gotta turn it around. Good job. There you go. You got it. You're not eating my banana. No ways.